Well, you guys do that.
See you guys later. He's gonna end the video now, so bye.
Giovanni,
What?
why'd you
What?
leave?
What do you mean? Why did it? Oh, my thing turned off,
Oh,
and then I lost my internet, and then I just
why do you
wanted
lose your internet so much?
because my internet sucks dick. That's why.
So back to like you were teaching me how to clone or whatever. Like, okay, I finished the body. Then what?
Okay. Now go get all the files that you're gonna want for it. You're
Like,
gonna need a body material and a mesh, a truck file.
so go get any material or the actual truck.
What truck did you use for it? Oh, use Bounty. That's the one I use. It's easiest.
Okay, bounty. Bound the material.
Hmm? Yeah. Yeah, material and a mesh.
Bounty hunter is what it's called. Then bounty hunter.
No, I thought it would be called the daggone chicken noodle soup man.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I like chicken noodle soup.
I kind of do, kind of do. Do.
Oh gosh.
Oh my lordy. Oh Lord, 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 Lord,
Okay, I see bounty hunter body mesh. Okay. All right.
I see a chicken falling out of a tree.
Whoa.
Yeah, bro. It's getting serious in here.
I'm gonna separate them by type.
Alright, and now I'm gonna go on Sim Monsters and see if my truck is up yet.
Should be.
It should, but
I
it's
think it
not.
got either another hour. If it's not.
It's
Nope,
not.
it's not.
Hold on, I'm gonna
Oh,
check on Blazed and see how long it took for that to be put up. Um, it was submitted yesterday at 1:36 and it was approved today at 5:21 a.m.
Damn.
Someone was up early. So it was.
okay. Bounty hunter body dot mesh.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. And in the material.
I'm so glad that
Okay.
I now have my name on stuff now. Such as on Blazed, my name is for the paint and body.
Oh my
Okay.
god, I don't want a freaking review. Just show me the thing I want to see. Holy crap.
No, you don't. You want to kill it. Alright, let's see how many views this thing has and how many downloads. 262 views and
For
39
what?
downloads. Flaming Energy.
Nice.
49 downloads, you said?
39.
Oh. No, I don't want to say what's up, guys.
What is up?
No.
Okay, I got it. Giovanni.
Oh, okay. Open your material. Oh, wait, on your saved body, make sure it says the name of the thing. What the hell?
I heard that too.
How the
Make
fuck do I turn this off? Hold up, wait. How do I turn this off? There's no turn off button. Alright, got that out of the way.
Grim Reaper body dot png.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure you take out solid text. Like, just make it say material, space, and then Grim Reaper body,
Material.
.png.
Whoa.
Go into the material file, sir.
Okay. All right. I'm in the material file.
Now, what do you see?
Material space A6 and stuff, some other stuff.
Okay, should say material and then all this other stuff, then solid text, and then just erase all of that all the way up until material. Make sure you don't erase material though.
Where the body is.
Just, yeah.
Okay.
There was actually blood last night. So cool.
Okay.
I should have finished watching it. Alright, now do you see a little bit below it? It says texture, and then it says that again. It says that body. Just do the same
Yeah.
for that.
Same for that.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Whoa. Hold on. Oh god. Jeez, man. This one
I'll be
doesn't